viewers, I'm here to tell you how can you find derivative of function. If you see function is f of x is equal to x raised to the power x. For solution of this question, I have to take ln on both sides of equation. ln f of x is equal to ln x power x. One more step, ln f of x is equal to x ln x. In here I used logarithm law, which is ln m raised to the power n is equal to n ln m. So now I have to take derivative. For derivative, d divided by d of x ln f of x, which is equal to d divided by d of x ln x. So let me take derivative of left side as well as right side. 1 divided by f of x, f prime of x is equal to, guys, I use this formula in here. In here I have to apply product law. My first function is x. First I want to take derivative of x, d divided by d of x and ln of x plus x d divided by d of x ln of x. One more step, 1 divided by f of x, f prime of x. When I take derivative of d of x, I get just 1. ln of x plus x derivative of ln of x, so I get 1 divided by x. Again I applied this formula, ln of x plus 1. f prime of x is equal to f of x multiply with ln of x plus 1. If you see, I just shifted 1 over f of x from left side to right side. Take derivative of function, I get this form, but right now I can simplify it more. If I substitute value of f of x from equation 1, f prime of x is equal to x raised to the power x ln of x plus 1. So this is derivative of this function, x raised to the power x. Hopefully you got my point. See you in next lecture. Have a nice day.